What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be pulling these off and taking them to the paint booth where Justin's Supra is going to get painted. So this will also be an update on Justin's Supra so you guys can see how that's coming along and where we're at with that car. So let's go ahead and get these removed and then get to the body shop. All right, guys, now that we got those removed, we can get the wrap off of them and then get them to the body shop. So see you guys at the body shop. All right, guys, so we're at the body shop, and you can see they got all this work done here. And then just like my car, there's a lot of damage right here. This car is probably rear-ended at some point. So they've been, well, it was a drift car too, so there's a good chance it was sideswiped. But you can tell, let's see, where's it at? So it was repainted. There's no sticker here. I don't know if the JDM cars have the VIN tag here, but it's the same on both sides. There's heavy body filler here from the previous owner. So I'm assuming, being a drift car, it was probably hit here and on the other side a few times. But it's coming along. It's looking good. The original color is red. I think this is the body kit. Yeah, that's the front bumper for the body kit. And that's his old rear bumper. That's about all that's been done. So, yeah, it's getting there. Almost ready for paint, primer, paint, all that fun stuff. So, alright guys, so we got the motor loaded back there. You can't see shit, it's too dark because it's 6 o'clock in the morning. So we're making our 4-hour drive down to Freed, and then Brian's, yeah, then Brian's, then Matt Pratt's, because that's apparently who's painting Kyle's Supra, which I didn't know until yesterday. So, yeah, we'll show you guys all that. All right, see you there, bye-bye. Dropped off the transmission at Freed. I didn't really film in there. They just opened, well, they're not even technically open yet, and they're kind of busy, and I just want to get it dropped off so we can get back on the road and go to Brian Roche Racing Engines thing to drop off all the stuff that you can now see for his car. So yeah, we're just waiting for a buddy to meet up with us, and then we're going to Brian's, and then Pratt's, and then home. Lunch. So lunch see, oh, somewhere. Brian's, lunch, then Pratt's, then home. So we'll see you guys at Brian's. Justin's motor at Roche Racing Engines. I believe Granis gets his motor built here too. It's a fairly big place. They have a lot of 2Js here, so it's in good hands. Now Kyle dropping off his engine to NA. He's just getting a refresh, nothing special. So but yeah, we're gonna bullshit a little here. I mean, it's a machine shop, there's not much to see, but I definitely just want to make sure that people know where it's going. So we're gonna talk for a little bit, and then I guess head to go eat, and then to Pratt's to check on Kyle's car because it's getting painted by Matt Pratt, so that'll be fun. But I guess I'll see you guys there. What's going on, guys? So we're at Ralph's Auto Service. We're actually with Matt Pratt. You guys might have seen him on his YouTube channel building his Supra, and he actually moved his shop beside this place, but it's like Porsche heaven in here. But that's all they do here, is they service Porsches. And then this one was a barn find, well, airplane hangar find. Yeah. 7,700 miles on it. If you guys can see that wastegate, it looks basically brand new. Like this thing.
I'll open the door.
Clean.
Look at the mileage on it. Speeding on it.
Oh, I see it. There it is. Oh, it even smells like an older Porsche in there.
Yeah. I'll show you this. Another rare one over here is a silver turbo. This one's got a price tag on about $400,000.
Jesus.
Fully restored. And if you look at the ride height, this is European spec. This is the factory ride height.
Oh, wow.
This is how these cars are designed to ride at for their best performance. So if you see a hammered Porsche, it probably handles better. It isn't just for looks.
Is it original paint?
No, this one has been fully restored inside and out. It was like it's a weird, rare European version of it. But yeah, I mean, look at all this shit they have down here.
These suck. I hated working on that.
Here's another rare one. Another turbo. This one got 26,000 miles on it.
Still.
These are super rare graphics that are on here. You're not gonna be able to find. They were real picky on how to detail it because they didn't want to ruin that. Actually, they want me to repaint this.
I guess that's common because that's probably fiberglass, right?
Yeah, it's pretty common.
It's crazy.
But I mean, it's just insane, like how many air-cooled Porsches that they have in this place at like one time.
These look like GT3 seats.
They could be, who knows?
Yeah, I think they are. That's probably why they're covered. I can't see the logo, but usually there's a logo on them.
I'll take you upstairs and show you Chuck's 68.
That's
I want
nice.
to show you your Porsche upstairs.
Love the Ducati.
This is part of his motorcycle collection. He has like 30 of these. Hi, buddy. Do you want his number? Are you still looking for someone? Yeah.
It's pretty sweet.
Really?
My exhaust that I built took twice as long.
Hey, my guys here up in Hempstead, in that warehouse I'm sharing my shop with, they're interested in getting air conditioning system. This thing is insane. This is Chuck's personal line from his Porsche collection. It's like mind-blowing with how, I gotta show you the engine bay. That's what's so cool about these older motors is that this motor is like not changed.
Yeah.
You know, if you look at some of the older 912s, they actually have like the Volkswagen motor in there, but nah, this is a freaking boxer.
What's going on, guys? So we're back now, and dropped everything off at Freed and Brian Roche's. So that's probably gonna be it for this video. Next video, we're gonna be installing my T56. So I'm pretty pumped about that. That's gonna be happening over Labor Day weekend, and there'll be a video on that. And gonna have a video of me doing the power steering rack here shortly too. So just stay tuned. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.